Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Let's Talk in English. I'm Lucas.
And I'm Sarah. Today's lesson is super practical because we're talking about something almost everyone deals with: work and jobs.
Yes, whether you have a job, you're looking for a job, or you're planning for your future career, this lesson will help you speak English more confidently.
We're going to teach you vocabulary, phrases, sentences, small dialogues, listening practice, pronunciation tips, and real life situations.
So get ready. This is a full lesson. Let's start.
Let's begin with some useful job titles. Repeat after us:
Teacher,
doctor,
nurse,
engineer,
driver,
chef,
office worker,
customer service agent.
software developer.
Now, let's put some of these words into sentences.
I'm an engineer. I design machines.
I work as a nurse. I help patients in the hospital.
I'm a driver. I deliver products every day.
Good. Now let's move to more useful vocabulary.
These verbs are very common when talking about jobs.
Listen and repeat.
Hire, to give someone a job.
Fire, to remove someone from a job.
Apply, to send your information for a job.
Interview, to answer questions before getting the job.
Promote, to give someone a higher position.
Resign, to leave your job.
Let's see these in sentences.
My company hired 5 new workers.
John was fired because he always came late.
I applied for a job at a bank.
I have an interview next Monday.
They promoted her to manager last year.
He resigned because he wanted to start his own business.
Now, let's talk about typical work routines. These sentences are useful for introductions, interviews, and conversation.
I start work at 9 a.m.
I finish work at 6 p.m.
I take a break at noon.
I have a meeting every morning.
I check my emails.
I talk to customers.
I write reports.
I manage the team.
Let's combine these into a natural conversation.
Lucas, what is your daily routine at work?
Well, I usually start work at 9 a.m. First, I check my emails. Then, I have a team meeting. After that, I work on my projects until lunch.
What do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I write reports, talk to clients, and finish my task for the day. I normally leave the office at 6 p.m. These expressions will help you sound natural.
I'm working overtime. I have a deadline. I'm busy with a project. I'm looking for a new job. I need more experience. I'm good at teamwork. I'm good at problem solving.
Let's use them in context.
Hey, Lucas, are you free this weekend?
Actually, no. I'm working overtime. I have a deadline on Monday.
Oh, I see. Good luck with your project.
Thanks. I'm almost done. Just need a bit more time.
Many learners ask about interview English, so let's cover that.
Tell me about yourself.
Why do you want this job?
What are your strengths?
What are your weaknesses?
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Good sample answers. My strength is communication. I enjoy working with people.
My weakness is that I sometimes work too much, but I'm learning to manage my time better.
I want this job because I believe I can contribute to the team.
Nice. Now let's act out an interview.
Good morning, Lucas. Please tell me about yourself.
Good morning. My name is Lucas, and I have 3 years of experience in customer service. I enjoy helping customers and solving problems.
Why do you want to work here?
I want to work here because your company has a strong reputation, and I want to grow in the professional environment.
What is your biggest strength?
I communicate clearly and stay calm under pressure.
Great answers. Thank you.
And repeat after us slowly.
Job,
Work,
career,
colleague,
colleague,
manager,
salary.
promotion.
Keep practicing to sound natural.
Sarah, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to adults. What about you?
I work in an office. I manage customer accounts.
Sarah, Lucas, you look tired. What's wrong?
I'm working overtime this week. Too many deadlines.
Try to take a break. Your health is important.
Sarah, do you want to change your job in the future?
Maybe. I want to get a promotion first. How about you?
I want to start my own business someday.
Here are some more advanced words.
Responsibilities. The tasks you must do.
Qualifications. Education, skills, and experience.
Work environment. The place and conditions you work in.
Team-oriented. Good at working with others.
Self-employed. You work for yourself.
Freelancer. Someone who works on different projects, not one company.
Listen carefully. Sarah is a graphic designer. She works from home. Every morning, she checks her emails, creates designs, and sends them to her clients. She likes her job because it's flexible.
Now answer. Does Sarah work in an office or at home?
At home.
Let's give you a long, natural conversation to improve listening.
Sarah, how's work going this week?
Pretty busy. I have 3 deadlines. I also have a meeting tomorrow with the manager.
A meeting? What's it about?
It's about a new project. We're designing a new app, and I need to create the layout. It's exciting but stressful.
I understand. My job has been crazy too. We hired 2 new employees, and I have to train them.
Oh, training new workers is a lot of responsibility.
Yes, but I enjoy it. I like teaching people. I might apply for a supervisor position next year.
Wow, that's great. I hope you get promoted.
Thanks. What about you? Do you want a promotion?
Definitely. I want to become a senior designer, but I need more experience first.
You'll get there. You're really talented.
Thank you, Lucas. And good luck with your new team.
Let's review what you learned.
Job vocabulary, work verbs, daily routine expressions, interview language, pronunciation, real-life conversations.
Practice these sentences every day. The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Thank you for watching Let's Talk in English. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more lessons.
And comment below, what job do you want in the future? We love reading your answers.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.